Welcome to PharmAlliance International Labs Private Limited, a name synonymous with quality, innovation, and excellence. We proudly introduce our flagship project, PharmAlliance Orthopedic Implants, designed to set new benchmarks in the healthcare industry. At PharmAlliance, we specialize in manufacturing a comprehensive range of orthopedic implants, including plates, screws, and nails, washers and advanced joint replacements, total knee replacements, and hip joints. Crafted from titanium and high-grade stainless steel, our implants meet and exceed international standards, ensuring exceptional quality and durability. The orthopedic market is growing at an unprecedented rate due to an aging global population, increased healthcare access, and advancements in medical technology. Becoming an authorized distributor for PharmAlliance Orthopedic Implants means joining a market that's not just growing, it's thriving. Our products are trusted by surgeons and healthcare institutions across the globe. And our vision is to expand into every country. This is your chance to align with a globally recognized brand and capitalize on the immense potential of the orthopedic implants market. Why choose PharmAlliance Orthopedic Implants? And as an authorized distributor, you'll enjoy exclusive benefits, including world-class quality, precision-engineered implants that offer unmatched performance. Comprehensive portfolio. From simple screws to advanced joint replacements, we have it all. Global recognition. Partner with a brand known for its innovation and reliability. Extensive support. Access to marketing materials, technical training, and operational guidance. Proven success. Join a business empire with a strong foundation and a growing global network. Our empire concept isn't just about business, it's about building a legacy. When you join PharmAlliance Orthopedic Implants, you become part of a global movement that's revolutionizing healthcare. With a presence in 20-plus countries and ambitious plans for global expansion, we are looking for professional, experienced, and financially sound distributors to join us. This is your opportunity to lead in a high-demand industry, build a profitable business with a trusted brand, contribute to a legacy of excellence in healthcare. Don't miss your chance to be part of a game-changing healthcare initiative. Join PharmAlliance Orthopedic Implants and unlock a world of possibilities. Visit us at www.pharmalliance.pk.